Hey everyone, welcome back to the Stellhorn RV and Camping Center channel. Today we're taking a look at another one of our units that were listed in the top 4 for best RVs of 2025 for beginners. Today we are taking a look at the Forest River Palomino Puma Camping Edition 16 BHCE. This is a 2026 model. It is 20 feet long, sleeps 5 people, and it does have a queen size bed, a dinette, and comes with bunks as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop up some specifications to give you guys a little bit more information on this unit. So guys, this is a great entry-level option for families looking to get into RVing. It is very easy to tow, store, and it's just a great all-around unit. It does have everything that you would need to be sufficient camping, and I guess with that, let's go ahead and head inside and take a look. Also guys, if you did want to see the list of the top 4 RVs for beginners in 2025, I will have that linked to our blog on our website. So stepping in, this unit is very similar to the 121 RKCE, which we did a video on recently, but similar to that one, we're going to have all the controls right in here. So these are going to be up for all of your tanks. Awning. This camper does have a 12-foot awning. These are going to be for your lights, and then here we've got for your speakers, which are inside and outside. So over to the bed. It is a queen bed similar to the 121, but we do get that above head storage, but we also get this nice compartment for some shirts and clothes. And then we've got a little spot for the TV backer. We've got your satellite and everything, hookups for there with the outlet. And then over here, this is a little different than the 121. The 121 did come with a sofa. This one does also come with a sofa. That is an option, but the one that we have here today that we're taking a look at does come with the dinette. We do also have some more overhead cabinet storage. And then the cool thing about this one that is different from the 121 is this model does have bunks, which does give it the capacity to sleep 5 people, along with the dinette turning into a bed. Table comes down and then the cushions come in the middle and it converts into a bed pretty easily. And then over here we have the kitchen area, which comes with a lot more storage than the 121. Still has that nice Puma countertop. Some nice storage for some utensils. And then it also does come with the 2-burner cooktop and the Furrion microwave. We do have some overhead storage above the fridge. We've got the freezer here, and then the main part of the fridge. And then back here we do have the bathroom. Bathroom is pretty similarly set up to the 121. We also do have the fan and everything for those who are using the bathroom for something other than a number 1. We do have that storage down there below that bunk. Then that pretty much covers the inside. Let's take a look at the outside. All right, so to the outside, guys, we do have the standard 20-pound LP tank and the manual hand crank jack as well. And then we do get that pass-through storage. It is a lot bigger and a lot more spacious than comparing it to the 121. Also, similarly to the 121, up here we do have access to this storage from inside the unit. Just have to lift up the bed. And then we do have that 12-foot awning as mentioned earlier. We do have the fresh water connection, and then we've got some outdoor speakers for those who are wanting to jam out in the summertime. Then we have the LP quick connect and a nice little outlet for cooking outside. And then we do have around the back the city water connection. And then up top, this little piece here above the Forest River logo is your Furrion Vision S prep for the backup camera. It's really nice. The 16 BHCE, which is this one, does come with that, but also the 121 did have that as well. It is really nice that it is prepped, save you some money if you really do want that camera. And then back here, kind of tight, but we do have the black and gray water outlet, and then access to the other side of that pass-through storage. So yeah, guys, that's about it for the 16 BHCE. It is a really great unit. I do love the Pumas, especially the camping editions. They are really neat and come with these different colors versus compared to some of the other Pumas. So yeah, guys, that's about it. Feel free to leave a comment with any other questions. I will have a link down below in the description for this unit if you guys want some more information on it. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.
Discover